Property of three parallel lines and their transversal. Theorem. The ratio of the intercepts made on a transversal by three parallel lines is equal to the ratio of the corresponding intercepts made on any other transversal by the same parallel lines. Given line L is parallel to line M, parallel to line N, line L parallel to line M, parallel to line N, and T1 and T2 are the transversal. Transversal T1 intersects the lines in points A, B, C, and transversal T2 intersects the line in points P, Q, and R. To prove AB upon BC, AB upon BC is equal to PQ upon QR. Proof. Draw segment PC which intersects line M at point D in triangle ACP. BD parallel to AP. Since line M is parallel to line L, AB upon BC is equal to PD upon DC. Equation number 1, basic proportionality theorem. In triangle ACP, BD is parallel to PQ, then AB upon BC is equal to PD upon DC, basic proportionality theorem. In triangle CPR, DQ is parallel to CR. Since line M is parallel to line N, then PQ upon QR is equal to PD upon DC. Equation number 2, basic proportionality theorem. In triangle CPR, DQ is parallel to CR and PQ upon QR is equal to PD upon DC, basic proportionality theorem. Equation number 1 and 2 देखते हैं. PD upon DC दोनों रेशियो क्या है, सेम है. AB upon BC is equal to PQ upon QR. So therefore AB upon BC is equal to PQ upon QR is equal to PD upon DC from equation 1 and 2. Therefore AB upon BC is equal to PQ upon QR. ये हमको क्या करना था, प्रूफ करना था. Hence the theorem is proved.